Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world. So in today's video I'm going to be testing out the Revolution and Rachel Leary palette. It's called Goddess on the Go. And to be honest guys, this one might be going. I could keep it for the face products here because they look quite nice. I've never tried them before, so I thought I would put the face products on and then we'd do an eye look with it and just see what I actually think of it. So yeah, I think I need to change the batteries in this light first, so let me just go and do that. Okay, that's better. So yeah, we're gonna put on the face products first because I look pasty as hell right now. I don't have anything on. So the bronzer, that is looking a little bit dark, so I'm just going to go in very lightly. It's called Caramel Slice. And we're going to be using this Japanesque angled brush. It's the 961 Japanesque angled brush. Oh, where's the mirrors? Okay, well, let's pop some on. I think I'll zoom in at this point. Actually not too dark. I did only go in a tiny bit. I mean, Rachel has probably done this for her skin tone, and she is a lot deeper skin tone than me, but I do think she self tans a lot, so it's not too bad. Right, now I'm going to put some Essence Brighten Up just to kind of clean it up a little bit, and I'm going to be using the Japanesque, I think this is just a powder brush in 202 or 202. Now that bronzer on me does have a little bit of a red undertone. We're losing some bristles. Right, so that's that. So the one thing I'm really concerned about is going in with a blush. So the blush is called Sunkissed, just purely because it's a glowy blush, and normally I would use a matte blush and then go over that with a glowy blush like that, a blush topper. So for the blusher I'm going to go in with my Jo & Jo angled brush. Right, I've got a bit of ham on the nose. Doesn't look too bad. Right, for highlighter we're going to be using, I think this one's just going to be too dark. I think even mixed it would be too dark. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's not going to suit my skin tone at all. So then we'll just go in with Get It Poppin' here. That's a nice highlighter. So we'll definitely be able to use 3 of the 4 products, I think, in this palette. So I could keep it for the face products. It depends how the eyeshadows apply. I did want her bigger palette that has more variation of eyeshadows, but when I saw this one on sale, I think it was £6, they didn't have it, so I just got this one and thought I would give it a whirl. But guys, I'm not too sure when I keep it, so this is why we're testing it now. So it's a brand new palette which is on the chopping block, which is not, I don't often do that. Yeah, I definitely went ham with the blush, so just ignore that. Okay. So I think I'm going to put some setting spray on. So I'm just using this one, but it's got the Barry dewy setting spray in it. Right, so first of all, what I'm going to have to do is go in with the Too Faced White Chocolate shade, just purely because the Rachel Leary palette doesn't have anything like that in it. Which I think is a must for all palettes, guys, to be honest. I think it's a must that a shade like this is in it. But that's just purely because I use mine so much, just to set my eye base. Hang on a minute. Just telemarketers constantly ringing. Okay, so we've done that. We're done with the Too Faced chocolate bar now. Let's see what we're going to start off with. Okay, so we're going to use the lighter shade in the palette, which is called Peach Please, this one here. I'm going to go in with my Morphe brush. Yeah, that looks nice. I think then I'm going to go in with a darker shade in the Art of V. That one's called Pucker Up. And this one's just the Morphe round brush. Ever since I've got these Morphe brushes, I've not used anything else. So there was a really good investment for the price. And I was going to do a halo eye, but I'm going to leave it. Maybe I'll do that another time. What I want to do is go in with my packing brush. Let's just clean that off. And I want to use Chi Chi, which is that one there. That's the nicest of the shimmer shades in my opinion. And applied with a brush, it's lackluster. But I'm sure we'll be able to get the pigment on that a little bit better. I'm not blown away by the eyeshadows so far. I mean, they blend out okay, but I'm just not blown away by it, guys. I like the face products, they're nice. The bronzer, the blush and the highlight, but I can only use one highlight unless I was to self-tan, which I've not done that in a couple of years now. It's just too much hard work to do it for yourself. I suppose that's one of the pros of having someone to do it for you. Well, at least your back for you and your neck and whatnot. Okay, let's spritz the brush. Right, I'm just going to use this one. Normally I would use my primer, but this is the one I've got to hand. So it's pretty pigmented now, so I'm hoping it's going to, and it isn't. I was hoping it was going to be a little bit more pigmented than what it's coming across as. I mean, I want to do another look with this palette, just to get it clear in my mind if I want to keep or declutter it. I don't think I need to keep hold of it just for the face products, if I'm being completely honest. I've got a lot of face palettes, so I think somebody else would be able to get more use out of it than I would. I think what I'm going to do is go in with Obsessed. Do you know, just on the centre, and see what that looks like. I'll just do that with my finger. In fact, yeah, I'll just do that with my finger. Kind of gives it an ombre look, which is nice. Now I've gone in, what I've done is I've dipped my fingers in both now, Goddess, because I did that accidentally, and then I put it in Obsessed, so I'm just going to go back in to the right eye. And we'll do that again. Right, so I guess we're going to go in with Pucker Up on the lash line. Just going in with my Morphe angled brush. Right. So if any of you have got this palette, what are your thoughts on it? I would really, really love to know what you think of it. I think part of my problem is I'm not really into warm toned eyeshadows anymore. I mean, I wear them, of course I wear them, but overall, yeah, I'm not really into them. I don't think they suit me, even though I've been told otherwise. So what I need to do now is just go in with the inner corner highlight that's in the palette. It's called Coconut Latte, which is that one. Wonder if that's Rachel's favourite drink. Okay, so that's that. So we're done with the palette. Like I said, I do want to do at least one more look with it, but I won't show you the face products again because you've already seen them in today's video. I'll just show you the eye look. Right, I just need to get my mascara. Okay, so let's tightline. I'm just going in with the Too Faced Love Eyeliner in Perfect Black. I mean, this side again is a little bit patchy. It was a bit patchy in the collaboration I've just done. So I did a collaboration with Lisa from Banning, Panning and Beyond and Naomi, and it was a bit patchy with that. Because it's watering. The left eye really waters. And speaking of that collaboration, I couldn't have got it more wrong if I tried. I do apologise to Naomi and Lisa. So I chose numbers for Lisa and I must have left them on my phone, and I must have thought they were my numbers that I had to use. So me and Lisa ended up doing the same look when I should have done a completely different look with different eyeshadows. But yeah, I mean, that was my bad, so I am sorry about that, but he's done now. It's an easy mistake to make. I'm gonna see if I can sort this eye out. I think that's a bit better. As long as it doesn't water anymore, we'll be right. Okay, let's go in with the Essence Volume Stylist mascara I've got. And then I just need to blend the eyeshadows out a little bit. I'm going to use this Spectrum brush. So it's the Spectrum B07. Right, so that looks quite nice. I'm not blown away, but I'm kind of happy with it. So yeah, I'm going to grab a lipstick now and then we're done. Right, so this is quite a warm toned lipstick. It's the Rosy by Autograph in the shade Silk Rose. So that's what it looks like. So we'll use this. It's really moisturising and that's why I want to use it, just because my lips are really dry. Right guys, so we are done. So yeah, I used the Rosy for Autograph in Silk Rose. It's really pretty and I haven't used it in a long time. Like I said, my lips need the moisture, so I thought I'd put that on rather than a matte one. And I do like the way it looks with this overall eyeshadow look I've got going on. So this is what we're looking like. It really is very warm toned. I had to go off camera because I had a little bit of lipstick stuck to my tooth. That always happens to me. I've just put a video up of the her Honey palette with swatches and I had red lipstick all over my teeth. Not attractive at all, but you don't have to see that for a while. But you don't have to see that for a long time because I go on to do swatches in that video, so I'm sorry about that, but I didn't want to refilm it. But yeah guys, this is the overall look. I like it. Let me just say I do like it. The palette, for someone that loves warm tones, would be a godsend, I think. Just purely because it's got everything that you should need. It's a great travel palette. If you're pale like me, you need to go in very lightly with this Caramel Slice shade. Rachel's purely done this palette for her and her skin tone, obviously, and I'm obviously way lighter than her, so it doesn't work as well. So that's it there. It's not the darkest bronzer that you're gonna get, so it isn't too bad, and that's probably why I can get away with it. But yeah, I do like the palette. Obviously I've only tried what, 1, 2, 3, 4 shades out of the 9. I haven't tried the deeper mattes, so Red Velvet and Sweet Like. I haven't tried them, and I haven't tried Straight Fire. So in the next video, maybe we can do something with those shades and just see what I think. If I really don't like it, if I don't like the eyeshadow palette, then it's going, guys, in the declutter when I do it, which is unfortunate. I'm glad I didn't pay full price for it. I managed to get it for the £6, so it gives me the opportunity to actually tell you my thoughts on it. At this point, it's now the release of Revolution, so it's not new on the market or anything like that. So yeah, these are just my thoughts on the Revolution and Rachel Leary palette. Let me know your thoughts down below if you have this palette. I would really be interested to know. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below. I'm currently working on a giveaway and I would love for you to be a part of it, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.